I bet you didn't know machines this powerful existed. Let's dive into the world of behemoth tech. Welcome to Lord Gizmo. Today we're showcasing the biggest, baddest machines out there. From colossal dozers and excavators to jaw-dropping harvesters and cranes, these machines redefine power and innovation. Ever seen a crawler or dump truck in action? It's like watching a transformer come to life. These engineering marvels from Komatsu, Caterpillar and Liebherr are not just machines. They're game changers in agriculture, mining and construction. Watch as they crush, lift and harvest with zero mercy and maximum efficiency. It's oddly satisfying and absolutely mind-blowing. Make sure you subscribe to Lord Gizmo to catch all the epic action. Hit that button and join us on this thrilling journey through the world of powerful machines. You don't want to miss it.